If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Telegram subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Open Telegram app. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Subscription. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscription option. Tap on it to view your current subscription details and renewal settings. Step 4. Cancel Auto Renewal. Find the option for Auto Renewal within the subscription settings. There should be a toggle button that allows you to turn off Auto Renewal. Select this option to disable it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After turning off Auto Renewal, make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to finalize your changes. This will ensure that your subscription will not renew automatically in the future. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Telegram subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Telegram support.